Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to contact YouTube live support in 2021. In order to do that, all you have to do, go to YouTube, click on youtube.com. As you reach out to the YouTube, go and click on the right upper corner and select your picture. And in here, click on YouTube Studio. When you reach out to your YouTube Studio, you will see an option called on the right upper corner help button. Click on that help button. In here you will see multiple options in order to contact YouTube, but you have to click on it, contact the YouTube creator support team. Click on it, and in here don't do anything or click on Android, anything, don't worry about it. All you have to do is click on open in a new window. Click on it. As you click on open in a window, you will reach out to this big window. In here you will see an option called chat. Click on live chat. And here you will see multiple options if you have different languages, and different languages have their own timings. You can see it in the like hours of operation, below hours of operation, you can see when they are available. But in English, it's 24 hours available, 7 days a week. Click on chat in English. As you click on chat in English, all you have to do is just put your URL, channel URL. Go back, bring your channel URL, go to YouTube, search for your channel, and I'll go to my channel, go to your channel, copy the link, come back and paste it here. I just paste it and start chat, and that way I'll have to wait a few minutes, and that way I'll get something emailed, and I have just canceled my thank you, I don't need any support because I have just canceled this support. And I just wanted to let you know how you can contact YouTube. This is how you can contact. Just click on start chat and it says start chat will start. I've just canceled it because I don't want anything. If you think you'd like this video, this video is really helpful for you, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.